What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great day so far. This video is going to be about installing our 4-inch SS intake that we can actually affix to our cars. However, just before we continue with the video, the only way you're going to be able to put this on your car is if you have the 80mm overkill throttle body. So if you have the stock throttle body, unfortunately this is not going to work. So you're going to have to stick with the V6 intakes. However, if you've upgraded to the 80mm, you can affix this 4-inch SS intake to your car. So y'all, this is the 3-inch piping from my V6 intake, the one that I had on my car previously. There's a video I made on it. It's like the $50 cheapest Amazon intake you could buy. And then this is the piping of the 4-inch intake. I already affixed the MAF to it, and I want y'all to see something. You can literally fit the 3-inch into the 4-inch. Like, it's that much bigger. So imagine how much more airflow you're going to be getting right into your intake manifold from this. And this used to bottleneck the 80mm throttle body. As you can see, like, this is smaller than the 80mm throttle body. So upgrading to this is going to have a more consistent airflow towards the throttle body. So you're not going to have a bottleneck or any restrictions anymore. Another thing I also wanted to show y'all, you can buy this SS intake kit. It's going to work for your car if you have a 80mm throttle body. You can put this on your car, right? However, the 90-degree, like, the rubber piece you're going to put here, I can't think of the word right now, I'm sorry. This is way too big, the one that comes with the kit, with the intake itself. So you're gonna have to order, I'll put the link in the description below. You're gonna have to order a different one. This is a 3.5-inch to a 4-inch 90-degree elbow. So this is the one, so the 3.5-inch is gonna go towards the to the throttle body, and then the 4-inch is gonna be going to the intake. So you're gonna need this to make this setup work. Other than that, there's nothing else you're gonna need this to work. Your MAF is gonna fit, it's gonna fit in the exact location, it's gonna fit perfectly, so you don't have to worry about that. So the only tools you're really gonna need are an 8mm socket. I just have it on a drill because I'm way too lazy to use that actual socket wrench. And I'm gonna start a time lapse, and we're gonna start putting this intake on. Another thing, y'all, that I just wanted to state, so I'll take it off real quick. So the intake, the SS intake kit came with this little like hose extension. You're gonna need it for this line that goes to the head cover right here. So because otherwise it's not gonna really fit, because for this to work, I had to rotate the piping around, and so to be able to reach the MAF sensor to plug it in right here. So I'm gonna take this piping, I'm gonna fix it to this, and then so it has enough to get to the intake all the way at the bottom, because now that inlet to the pipe is all the way at the bottom, so this is not gonna reach. So gonna like put this on so it can reach around. Alright y'all, so this is the old heat shield that came with like my the V6 intake that I had on the car, and now they sent me one. It came in the kit, like a new one, so I was like, screw it, I'll just put the new one on with it. So we got everything fitted up. We have the 90-degree elbow on. We have all the clamps tightened down, the piping, MAF sensor plugged in. We have this vacuum line hooked up, as well as the filter on. It's all snug, and this little support here to make sure that the heat shield does not go anywhere. This is the old one. I kind of liked having this on it because, I mean, it's not sharp, but it's kind of jaggedy. So I'm just gonna take this off. They did give you some in the kit. I'll just save that for like another time or something like that. So I'm just gonna reuse this one and put that on real quick. So y'all, so that is the SS intake install. Be warned, you do need a tune. I'm currently tuned with Overkill Motorsports by Will. Fantastic tuner, the best out there for the LFX and LOT and LGX motors. He also tunes for other motors as well. I'll put his link in the description below. And he gives free retunes. So say you got a new upgrade, like we just did with the SS intake. I'll send him a data log of how the car is running, and he'll send me a retune for free. So you get unlimited retunes for as long as you own the car. So we have it installed. You have to get a retune, otherwise it will not run properly. Some people reported that their car is just turned off, especially on the manual, so I guarantee it's just going to stall all the time. So you do need a retune for it to run properly because there's a lot more air going into the motor currently. So just to review, because I've already had this on, I just recorded it as an install for a video for y'all to see. I have had the retune already. Performance-wise, I didn't really feel anything in first and second gear. Otherwise, then I heard a noise difference. It's a lot more induction noise going into the cabin. You can definitely hear it. However, in third gear, I know that for a fact I felt more torque. The second I shifted from second to third, I immediately felt more torque. I'm not saying it's like 50 horsepower, but I definitely felt a little bit more. It could be just that the 3-inch, the old V6 intake was a little bit more restrictive. This allowed it to open up more, so really get its full potential. I have been on the dyno actually with this, and I made 292 wheels. So that I'll be having a video with my dyno numbers, how the dyno went, and all the modifications that I currently have so far on the car. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.